to your August Fast and Fit workout. Yes, summertime. My oldest daughter's birthday is in August. I love August. So let's begin, starting with a deep cleansing breath. Bring in your oxygen. It equals energy to every cell in your body. That's it. And release. And let's stretch out the arms. Beautiful. Wake up workout. That's it. Starting off with a good warm up to stretch, to tone, to get the blood circulated. That's it. Oxygen makes you feel good, helps you think better. And let's take it side to side, side to side. Just wave your arms, ocean feeling, smooth like the water, swimming through it. This is a little Tai Chi. Chi means energy, moving the air through the body. That's it, last one. And let's stretch up and out to the side. Stretch your hips, stretch your back. So good for your whole body. That's it, and let's stretch to the other side. Stretch, lean it out. That's it, beautiful. Stretch and tone every day. You'll feel so much better, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. Okay, bend your knees and let's twist through the waistline. Working through the abdominals, keep your core tight. That's it, stomach in. Bend your knees, it helps protect your back. That's great. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Keep those abs engaged. And now reach it out. Okay, just reach it out. Beautiful. That's it. Really stretch through the sides of the waistline. Those love handles that we don't like. Okay, last one. And swing it through. Just swing it through. Use your thigh muscles. That's it. They burn calories at a quicker rate. Fast and efficient. And let's go to the side and release. Lift up and release. That's it. Stretch and tone. You got it. Great for that booty. Stretch. Last one. Up and now just hold that stretch. Calf muscle stretch. Tuck under your hips and lean a little into a lunge. That's it. Feeling a fabulous stretch right through here. Oh, I love it. And now for the hamstrings. Sit back. That's it. Shift your weight to the hips so you feel it all through the back of that thigh. Wonderful. I hope you're feeling good. Smile, we're gonna burn some calories, tone some muscle, and stretch it out. Okay, let's go to the other side. Up and back. Now lift the bottom and tone your abs. Good. Lift and down. Great for your legs, great for the booty. Lift it, tone, firm shape. That's it. Boost that belly too. Lean into it. Stomach in. That's great. Last one. Beautiful. Up and hold the calf muscle stretch. Lean your body weight slightly forward. Stretch the back of that lower leg. Perfect. Okay, take it down. Stretch it out all through the hip flexors. So important, especially if we're sitting. They get real tight and they shorten. Keeping your back healthy. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy. Do this with me 5 minutes every morning. Feel the hip flexor stretch. Hold it. And now shift your hips back to a beautiful hamstring stretch for the back of your thighs. Keeping your back healthy. Hold the stretch. Breathe into it. Beautiful. And relax. Now let's slowly work the inner thighs. Great for leg circulation. Just shift your hips side to side. Sit way back there. Now reach your arms. Keep your tummy tight. Pull in those abs. Core is tight and engaged. That's it. And really reach side to side. Great. You'll feel so good. Energized for the day. The perfect mindset to begin your day. We got one more. Last one. Okay, stand up nice and tall. Good posture. Lift your knees towards your chest. This is now working the core muscles. Placing your hands behind you to engage your ab muscles a little more and to improve your posture. Knees towards your chest. Pull the belly button in towards your spine. This is great. Standing abs. Hold. Last one. Great. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Give yourself a big hand. You did great. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.